Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Airtable for real estate. Airtable is a powerful platform that blends the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the robust capabilities of a database. It helps real estate professionals manage properties, clients, and transactions with remarkable efficiency. You can easily organize all your critical information in one central place, making your workflow smoother and more organized. This tool is designed to streamline your operations and enhance productivity. To begin, you will set up your real estate base by creating several interconnected tables. Imagine one table for all your properties, another for your valued clients, and separate ones for agents and transactions. Within each table, you will define specific fields, such as property addresses, listing prices, client contact details, and important closing dates. Linking these records across tables provides a holistic view of your entire real estate portfolio. With your base established, managing properties and clients becomes effortless. You can track each property's journey, from its initial listing to a successful closing, using custom status fields. Maintain comprehensive client profiles, detailing their preferences, communication history, and specific needs. Furthermore, Airtable allows you to automate reminders for crucial follow-ups or upcoming deadlines, ensuring you never miss an important step in the sales process. Beyond basic organization, Airtable offers advanced features to elevate your real estate operations. Implement automations to handle repetitive tasks, such as sending welcome emails to new clients or updating property statuses. Develop custom dashboards to visualize key performance indicators, giving you valuable insights into your business. Plus, you can easily share your bases with team members, fostering real-time collaboration and ensuring everyone stays updated on every project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.